Keem team, what it do? Welcome to Keem's Garage. I'm your host, Akeem the New Kid, back at y'all with one more video. It is a bit awkward doing this in the middle of a parking lot. I got people giving me crazy looks, but it is what it is. Today I'm gonna be talking about, oh wow, those are a lot of seagulls. Please don't poop on top of my head. I'm gonna be talking about my most anticipated events of 2025. Right, that seems to look good. Okay, is this pilot gonna stand there or are they gonna move somewhere? I don't know why she is staring at me so hard. Oh, we right behind the bat bus, shit. That shouldn't slow us down too much. It's not going the same way we're going. Yo, I don't remember the last time I took the bat bus. I'm not gonna hold you. Yeah, ever since I got my license, it was like, whoa, why are they going down this way? Oh God. Yo, it is so liberating having your own car. Cause like you could go where you want to go at more or less whatever time. There's a nice G-Wagon AMG, very nice. You could go like anywhere you want to at any time. You don't gotta worry about waiting for buses, standing out in the cold, no kind of shit like that. Oh my gosh. When you have your own car, you don't have to worry about like waiting for buses, waiting out in the cold, the bus not exactly going to where you want to go, and then you know, you gotta walk a distance and all this stuff. Just so liberating. So the most anticipated events for me in 2025. I plan on doing coverage for a lot of these events. I'm gonna talk about them the moment I merge onto the highway. All right, so first off, of course, all the Cars and Coffee events, right? In Massachusetts, I know there's Lars Anderson Cars and Coffee, Bedford Cars and Coffee, and Andover Cars and Coffee, right? There's also Cars and Coffee events that have a similar name, like Caffeine and Carburetors out in New Canaan, Connecticut. And there's also Cars, Coffee, and Conversation. I think it's in like Mansfield or something. And there's a few other ones, I can't remember. There's a Cars and Coffee event in New Hampshire that I'm interested in covering. I think there's a Cars and Coffee event at the Audrain Auto Museum out in Rhode Island. And I think those are all the Cars and Coffee events. There's a few more in Connecticut, but those are all that I can think of in the New England area. I do want to cover Dream Ride. There were a lot of nice, like really nice, exotic, rare cars at Dream Ride last year. And yeah, it's all the way out in Connecticut, but I'm willing to go that far. The New England Auto Show out in Boston. Now, ever since the pandemic hit, the Boston Auto Show, or the New England Auto Show, has been kind of mid, but yeah, I'm gonna cover it regardless, just because I'm interested in seeing what kind of new stuff is there. I didn't check my blind spot there, that was bad. Uh-oh, somebody got pulled over. Civic. Damn. What was that? See, this Accord is in the wrong lane. They should be in the middle, not the middle, the right lane. And we are moving. We're moving. as a general rule of thumb for all my student drivers out there, when it comes to changing lanes, the general rule of thumb is before I change into a lane, if there's a car there, I wait until I can fully see it in my side view mirror. Now I can see it, but I'm gonna have to slow down. So I'm not gonna make that lane change. Right? And this Tesla driver's going. I'm not gonna make that lane change. All right, let's say I wanna go into the right lane. That Volvo, I can see it completely in my side view mirror. So I'm gonna signal, look over my shoulder, and then go when it's safe. Just a little instructive moment there. I like hills like this. I can just let off the gas pretty much the whole time. Now, I don't want to go around this corner at 50 miles an hour because I know it's a tight bend. Ooh, that's a mean pothole. Oh wow, these people are not going fast enough. These people are not going fast enough. Yo, why is there a slowdown up here? Yo, never do what they just did. Don't ever stop on a merge. I don't know why, I see that way too often. Free your thoughts and watch them fly. That shit been in my head all week, bruh. Oh my gosh. Okay, we good. We got one more mile before we take this exit. All right, boom, that's us right here. All right, we good. Good enough. All right, well, that's it. That's all the events that I'm looking forward to. Just doing a quick scan through in my head. If there's anything else that I missed car meetups. Car clubs. The Bentley University, and there's a college out in Connecticut, Quinnipiac, something like that. They have a car club that I look forward to going to. And I think they just recently held a Cars and Coffee event. And if they do more of those, I'd be looking forward to go and cover their events. Yeah, that's it really. And the lawn events at Cars and Coffee. I almost completely forgot about the lawn events at Lars Anderson. I mean, not Cars and Coffee, Lars Anderson. They have Japanese car day, German car day, a bunch of stuff. They haven't come out with the 2025 schedule yet, but I'm highly anticipating that. As usual, if you like what you see, hit the like button, comment down below if you're new, comment any other car events in the New England area, more or less, that you want me to go to. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, drive safe, and take care.